My name is Robert Weeks. I'm a mixed martial artist. Today I'm at Main Event Sports Club, and I'm going to show you how to use the whip finisher. The whip finisher, or the hip toss, is a very effective tool. Pretty much this takes a running adversary and uses all their body weight against them. A whip can be considered somebody running at full speed, whether you help them, or whether you whip them, or whether they whip themselves to you. I'm going to be using a hip toss as a means to not really exert a lot of my own energy because I don't know how strong this adversary is. I'm just going to use a very simple form of leverage, kind of like a pulley system. I'm going to use my pulley system to use the least amount of weight possible and strength to subdue my victim. If done correctly, I should have no problem and actually shouldn't even break a sweat after my opponent has already quit trying to fight me. What you're going to do when you see your opponent running at you, you're going to have to premeditate which foot is going to hit the ground the closest to you. If he starts running at you on his right foot, you're going to have to see how much distance he's gaining. If an average person walks 1.5 meters with each set of steps, you're going to have to accord in that. If his left foot is the first thing that seems to come at you, you're going to want to drive your right hip through his left foot and then build the bridge off of your lower back onto his lower waist. Once you do that, his momentum is already going to trip him up enough to literally somersault off of you. And in which case you can grab his arm, or you can grab his head on the way down, or you can just watch him fall and hope that he doesn't get up. And that's how you properly use the whip finisher. See you next time.